Shiftsmart Review. Is it legit or a scam? It's a mobile gig app that connects independent contractors with hourly shift work for employers like Circle K, Google, and various retailers. Jobs include merchandising, stockroom tasks, retail surveys, and mystery shopping, typically tracked and paid through the app. Contractors do not receive benefits and are paid per shift. So here's why it's legit. They have a real pay and flexible scheduling. They have no payout thresholds, so you can cash out after every shift. They also have varied job types, and they have PBT accreditation, which holds a B rating, and have complaints about missing via pay. Although it comes with major concerns and complaints. They have a pay and shift issues, so worker reports shifts that not properly recorded and automatic paycheck deductions are no payment unless stated. So they also have a job availability variability. So gig availability is highly inconsistent, so many areas show no jobs or only remote surveys. And they have poor support and automation problems. They have no live customer support, and support is handled via the app ticketing. So in conclusion, only gig workers seeking occasional flexible opportunities might benefit from this, and you should avoid it if you're someone needing consistent, reliable income or shift availability. Although it is a real gig platform, it comes with significant reliability and support issues.